Welcome to your 16th tutorial HTML. This video I'm gonna be teaching you about escape characters. Escape characters are characters we use in return of things like space, copyright, and trademark, greater than, lesser than. Like I will just write a few text here. Okay, I will hit the save button. I'll load this my page. Okay, now if we are using space, you know that I've taught you this, which is the and MPSP, which I told you that for using space we hit the save button. If we click here, this space won't tell the browser to give it space here, but if we use what we call the and MPSP, small letter and MPSP and MPSP, we save and refresh our page. You see it moved, it added some gap. That's for an MPSP. What if we use what we call the copyright tag? Now I want to write like a title for a company, which is Hypertext Markup Language Company. Hypertext Markup Language Company copyright. We'll just add what we call the and copy. Then we'll hit the save button again. We'll refresh the page. You can see the sign here, which is the copyright sign. Then what if we want to add the and AMP sign, which is the and, because if we and here, it will hit the save button. It will show, but this and AMP still it tells the browser that this is for the main and. So let's add that and see the difference. And AMP, we hit the save button, we refresh our page. You can see it's still the same. What of the trademark sign, which is and hash 848682? Then we'll hit the save button again, refresh our page. You can see which is the trademark company, trademark this, trademark that. What are for the lesser than sign, which will use because if we use what we call the angle bracket, because the computer understand angle bracket as tag. If we use the angle bracket, you can see the text is being highlighted. Now let's save it and reload the page. Nothing showed. That is why we have a escape character for this, which is the and alt and LT, which is and lesser than, which is and greater than. Let's hit the save button again. Let's refresh the page. You can see it has the two angle brackets and the HTML tutorial 16 inside them. That's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my video for more. Thank you.